Christmas in the Caribbean is a magical time. The islands come alive with vibrant colors, joyful music, and the tantalizing aromas of festive cooking. The culinary landscape transforms into a delicious fusion of cultural influences. It reflects the region's rich history and heritage. Each island boasts unique dishes, yet some delicacies unite this tropical tapestry of flavors. Join us on a culinary journey as we explore the iconic foods of a Caribbean Christmas. No Caribbean Christmas is complete without a generous serving of sorrel. This traditional drink is a staple at every festive gathering, bringing families and friends together in celebration. This vibrant red drink, made from the roselle plant, is a beloved tradition across the region. The roselle plant, with its bright red calices, is harvested and prepared with care, ensuring the best flavor. Its tartness, balanced with sugar and spices, is both refreshing and festive. The addition of ginger, cloves, and allspice gives it a unique, warming flavor that is perfect for the holiday season. The color red holds special significance, symbolizing the joy and merriment of the season. Red decorations, much like the sorrel drink, are a common sight, adding to the festive atmosphere. The preparation of sorrel is a cherished ritual. Families gather to wash, peel, and chop the ingredients, sharing stories and laughter as they work. Dried sorrel flowers are simmered with ginger, cloves, allspice, and sometimes a touch of rum. This mixture is carefully tended to, ensuring the perfect balance of flavors. The mixture is then steeped, allowing the flavors to deepen and melt. This process can take several hours, but the result is well worth the wait. The final result is a drink that is both tantalizing to the taste buds and visually stunning. Served chilled, it is a refreshing treat that captures the essence of a Caribbean Christmas. Caribbean Christmas cake is a testament to the island's colonial past. This cake, rich in history and flavor, is a symbol of the fusion of cultures that have shaped the Caribbean. It is a beloved tradition that brings families together, creating memories that last a lifetime. It echoes the flavors of British fruit cake, but with a distinctly Caribbean twist. The addition of local ingredients like tropical fruits and spices gives it a unique taste that sets it apart from its British counterpart. This dense, rich cake is laden with dried fruits soaked in rum or brandy for months. The soaking process is crucial as it allows the fruits to absorb the alcohol, resulting in a moist and flavorful cake that is truly indulgent. This process, known as feeding the cake, imparts a deep, complex flavor that only intensifies with time. Each feeding adds another layer of richness, making the cake more delicious as the days go by. The making of Christmas cake is an event in itself. It is a time for family and friends to come together, share stories, and enjoy each other's company while preparing this festive treat. Families often gather weeks in advance to soak the fruits, mix the batter, and bake the cake. This communal activity strengthens bonds and creates a sense of anticipation for the holiday season. The aroma of spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice fills the air, creating an anticipation that lingers until Christmas Day. These spices not only enhance the flavor of the cake, but also evoke the warmth and joy of the holiday season. Pastels, a savory delight, hold a special place on the Caribbean Christmas table. These small parcels, particularly popular in Trinidad and Tobago, are a testament to the region's blend of cultures. They are believed to have originated from Venezuela, showcasing the interconnectedness of Caribbean cuisine. Pastels are labor-intensive to prepare, often involving the entire family. Cornmeal dough is carefully filled with stewed meat, raisins, capers, and olives. The parcels are then wrapped in banana leaves and steamed until tender. The aroma of spices and banana leaves permeates the kitchen, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. Section 5. Ham with a Caribbean twist. While roasted ham is a Christmas staple in many parts of the world, the Caribbean adds its own tropical flair. Imagine a festive table set under the warm sun, surrounded by lush greenery and the sound of waves crashing nearby. The Caribbean Christmas dinner is a vibrant celebration of flavors and traditions. The ham is glazed with a sweet and tangy mixture of pineapple juice, brown sugar, and spices. This unique blend not only enhances the flavor, but also infuses the ham with a tropical essence that is unmistakably Caribbean. The preparation process itself is a joyous occasion, often involving the whole family. This creates a caramelized crust that is both visually appealing and bursting with flavor. The golden brown exterior, glistening with the pineapple glaze, is a sight to behold. It's not just about the taste, it's about the entire sensory experience. The pineapple glaze is what truly distinguishes the Caribbean Christmas ham. The addition of pineapple slices and cherries on top not only adds to the visual appeal, but also enhances the overall flavor profile. Each slice of ham adorned with these tropical fruits is a treat for the eyes and the palate. The sweetness of the pineapple, combined with the savory ham and warm spices, creates a harmonious balance of flavors. This delightful combination is a testament to the Caribbean's ability to blend different culinary influences into something truly unique and delicious. Each bite is a celebration of Caribbean culinary ingenuity. The festive atmosphere, the vibrant flavors, and the joyous company all come together to make the Caribbean Christmas ham a memorable centerpiece of the holiday feast. It's a dish that brings people together, creating lasting memories and a sense of community. Section 6. Beyond the Classics. Beyond these iconic dishes, the Caribbean Christmas table is a cornucopia of delights. From the hearty jug of Barbados to the refreshing ginger beer found throughout the islands, there is something to tantalize every palate. Sweet treats like coconut drops and guava cheese provide a sugary finish to the festive feast. These dishes, passed down through generations, are more than just food. They are a testament to the resilience, creativity, and joie de vivre of the Caribbean people. Section 7. Music, Family, and the Spirit of Togetherness. Caribbean Christmas celebrations are incomplete without the pulsating rhythms of traditional music. From parang in Trinidad to reggae carols in Jamaica, the air is filled with music and dancing. Families and friends gather to share stories, laughter, and of course, the abundance of food. It is the spirit of togetherness, of sharing and celebrating life, that truly defines the Caribbean Christmas spirit. Section 8. A fusion of flavors and traditions. Caribbean Christmas traditions are a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of African, European, and indigenous cultures. The festive foods, with their unique blend of flavors and ingredients, are a testament to this rich heritage. Each dish tells a story, reflecting the history and cultural influences that have shaped the Caribbean identity. Section 9. Conclusion. Caribbean Christmas, a sensory delight. A Caribbean Christmas is a feast for the senses. From the vibrant colors of the decorations to the intoxicating aromas of spices and sweets, it is an experience that lingers long after the last morsel of food has been consumed. It is a celebration of life, love, and the joy of sharing with loved ones. So this Christmas, why not add a touch of Caribbean flair to your celebrations? Indulge in the flavors, embrace the spirit, and create memories that will last a lifetime.